Melody Kids Stories. Rani's Rainy Day Surprise. Rani loved the rain and always wore her yellow raincoat to splash in puddles. One rainy day, a magical rainbow-colored frog appeared and said, "Today is Rani Day. Anything you wish for will come true." Excited, Rani wished for candy trees, chocolate rivers, and animals that could talk. Her village turned into a magical wonderland. She played with fluffy rabbits, danced with her friends, and had a fun water balloon fight. As the rain stopped, the frog said, "Remember, magic happens if you believe in it." Rani smiled, knowing rainy days would always be special. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.